Hi everyone, welcome to a very windy Blackpool prom. Look how rough this is, I'm literally getting blown over. But let's head up here and have a walk to North Pier and see what's going on. Look at these waves. Wowzers. There's the tower. Hope that flag's securely fastened on. Right, should we go this way or should we go down on the front? Should we keep this way?
This side or?
This side. We'll keep this side. There's the Golden Mile Amusements. Coral Island. Oh wow, this is. Oh
Yeah.
A brief shelter from the wind. It's the lifeboat visitor centre. Oh wow. Plenty of people about. It is only a Thursday, so it's not like the weekend or anything, but I suppose like schools will be breaking up, won't they, for the summer break. Oh blimey, they're brave. Wowzers. Oh, I don't know if that's a good idea. I really don't think that's a good idea actually. Oh, these seagulls! It's like a mother's meeting. What's going on? Oh my gosh! Let's just take a minute here, if I can, without getting blown over. But oh my gosh! Look at those waves! Oh.
So what the skiing you made out?
Oh. Wow, look at that horse and carriage. That's a posh carriage, isn't it? Wow. Let's pan round for you while I'm here. Central Pier. Those kids have just been told to get on the other side of the barrier by the Coast Guard. Oh dear. I know. I've got salt on my lips, sand in my eyes. Coming up to the comedy carpet. There's not many horse and carriage rides going up and down the prom today. Maybe they only do it on certain days, or maybe just like the weekends more, I don't know. I've never actually been on one, but I've heard that they're not cheap either. I think somebody said it was about £20 or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, or if you know how much they are, let me know. I am interested in how much they are. There's a tower. It feels a bit calmer on this bit. Oh no, here it comes, the wind. We've had a heat wave for the last Is it 2 days or something? Yesterday was boiling. Oh my gosh. I was in work all day yesterday and it was super hot. And today, it's not cold, but look at the grey sky. Please tell me that's not our summer gone. I hope there's more to come. I've got a lot more summer clothes to dig out and wear before the summer's over. Papa's fish and chips. That scaffolding looks like it's been up for ages. And I'm not sure what they're doing. I wonder if there's going to be something above it. Can't read the sign. Oh. Should we go this way? Go up this way. Bless you. That'll be a load of sand up your nose.
Probably. Oh, that's not.
Well, the pier looks open. I can see plenty of people on it,
Oh, great.
which is a good sign. Something sweet. So let's go and have a look on here, see how busy it is. It did look like plenty of people on it, so should be. The amusements are open. Wow! Woo! Wow! Pan round. That's how rough the sea is, oh my gosh! Oh! It's a bit, that was a bit of dip. Oh, bar there. Gin, Prosecco. Proper windswept. Let's go out this way. Oh, right. Doesn't look many people on here now, does there? There was loads of people on here when I was walking up. Oh, oh my god, that guy's hat's just blown off. Pan round for you here. There's Metropole. I hope I'm pointing this camera right because my hair's all over the place, so I can't really see what I'm doing. Oh.
It's only 70-71.
The food places are closed.
I mean,
Walk on this bit. It's a bit more level. I wonder what's on at this theatre now. I wonder if there's a little thing up we can have a look at. Whew. Oh look, he was the guy that architect. Oh, I crunched down. Wow. Interesting, isn't it? Whew. Oh, he was the guy that did Sooty. Harry Corbett, yeah.
Oh, right, yeah. So that might is that the original one?
Yeah, I'm sure it is, yeah. Yeah.
Don't know.
I used to love Sooty and Sweep when I was younger. Sooty, Sweep, Susie.
Must be the one then. That must be the original one.
They had the little camper van that they used to go around.
Oh, God. I don't know exactly where.
Oh, gosh, carousel is fenced off, but we'll go to the fence and have a look, because this is absolutely magical. It's just stunning, absolutely. Oh my gosh, can you hear the shutters? Woo. Yeah, this carousel is magical. There's a little train that goes up and down on the pier when it's in season. But let's have a little walk around this carousel. It's just magical. When I first saw this last year, it was just like you've completely stepped back in time. The garden, that's all closed. It's lovely to sit there when it's nice weather with a drink. Yeah, you can't get right to the end, but let's see if we can see what's on at the theatre. So let's see if there's a poster. Is this a poster that's like a current? Yeah, this is who's on, look. Try and get closer. Or you can get the... I don't know if I'll get all of it in because there's a post in the way, but... I'll be honest, there's a lot of people on there I don't recognise. I think some tribute acts as well. Huh? Let's head back up the other side. Oh, you can see the Pleasure Beach. Looks like it's going to pour down and I haven't brought a coat. I think I'll get quite wet going back to the car. Hopefully it'll hold off with a bit of luck. Souvenir gift shop, that's closed. I'm sure these will be super busy in the season, won't they? Grabbing machines and things in there. Let's cut up here. Don't know where this is,
It
but
leads down towards.
does it lead into the town centre?
Yeah, it leads down towards where Abingdon Street and all that is. I'm not sure just the street names.
Oh, not walk under a ladder. Bad luck. Yeah. If you walk under a ladder, you get bad luck.
Oh, it's got a chance. That way, that way.
Go this way.
This way?
No, go that way. Up here. We'll go up here. Go and have a look up here. At least it's not as windy here.
Don't kick some.
Yeah, we're so concentrated to get an character.
Go down this way. Go towards the Grand Theatre. Yeah, this leads you down to like heading towards the town, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's the Grand Theatre up ahead. Nando's. That's been there years now, hasn't it?
Yeah. In fact, it used to be a pizza hut, that one.
I
Used to be a pizza
know.
place, I can't remember.
I think it was a different one. Yeah, it's the Grand Theatre. Yeah, we've been down here loads of times.
Huh?
Oh, in fact, I think I'll just nip in this car shop. So that was our video of a very windy walk down Blackpool North Pier and front. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all in the next one.